different. I'm dope, I'm the wave, like some raw out the kitchen. Won't slip on my game, no, they wanted my position. Made my own lane, I'm like, what competition? I'm dope, niggas know me like a line. The folks who got no wave trying to trick me out of mine. But I know one thing.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while. Let's clear out the dust. What are they? Don't rush. Huh? So hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been so long, probably more than 3 months. I don't know, ever since the corona. Hey, corona came through and I was like, forget YouTube. Yeah. But anywho, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys didn't know, my name is Tammie, and yes, it's been a while, but I am back with this cute look. Today we're doing the quick summer hairstyle, the little ponytail, my natural hair in a bun, and then you know it's a drawstring and it's good to go. So I paired it with this Boohoo bathing suit, which is cute, and with my Boohoo 95 necklace. And I just did my makeup and everything. So this is like a cute, cool, not doing too much but you're doing a lot type of style with the mask, of course, because corona, we must protect ourselves. Come on with this new cute look for the summer. Hopefully the summer goes great. The world is crazy out here, but I hope everyone is safe out there. You guys are protesting safely, you guys are wearing your mask cautiously, like being safe. Help us get through this journey. That's just too depressing for us to be stressing. But anyway, let's get back to this look I got. If you guys want to see how I got this look, continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video, which is tomorrow, because we're doing a marathon. So I hope you guys are ready. Hold on, buckle your seatbelt, because you're gonna be seeing this face back to back to back. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Let you guys know that I am not a makeup artist, nor do I do makeup all the time. I just like to play with it and, you know, just do a look just for the hairstyle. So disclaimer, not a makeup artist, and plus I was trying this new foundation just for fun, and this new brow I'm also trying because I went to Ulta to purchase often. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy. Keep on watching. guys, do not come for me. Y'all can see I'm struggling on this side to get them edges, but I tried. But, and dismiss the lashes part because them lashes, bro, waste of money. But anywho, as you guys can see, I am putting on the ponytail. I'm showing you guys, do not do it this way. This way, I was getting ready to cry because I was already like, my little hair finna look cute, but the ponytail wasn't looking right. So I was like, this does not look right. I mean, it wouldn't do nothing. So don't put the ponytail like that. I'm gonna show you guys how to put it in a couple of seconds. So I just want to come in and tell you guys, do not put it that way because it's gonna look like a seahorse. That's what it looked like, a seahorse. And I was getting ready to cry, y'all. I was really gonna cry because I did all that work for nothing. So I left. So I took it off. I left, put on some gloss, and then I did it. This is the correct way to put it. So you want to turn your ponytail to the side and put it horizontally instead of vertical. So yeah, so continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Also, you guys, don't forget to like tuck the ponytail to hide the knot thing, because I did it afterwards, but the fact that I got the side, I was so excited I couldn't I was like doing all types of poses. I was getting Beyonce vibes, ring me alarm. So yeah, if this was orange or yellow, cute, right? But then you got on your man.
Going stupid, going crazy, mind the business, that pays me.